Good day, this is Crypto Cyborg bringing you bits and bytes of crypto. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just sharing my personal experience, viewpoints and findings with you. Please do your own due diligence. Okay guys, today's going to be a short one. As per usual, I'm going to bring you some mainstream news, what's happening in the crypto world, and a bit of feedback on some of the platforms that I'm in. I'm just covering the headlines, guys. If you want to know any more regarding the news I'm bringing you, you can go Google it and read the detailed articles. Okay, let's get into it. Today we're going to have a look at tax authorities, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin performance, XRP, banks, new crypto exchange in SA, adoption, and then the passive income platforms I'm in. Tax authorities. Okay, the tax authorities in Canada asked the court to force CoinSquare Exchange for data on all their users since 2013. The IRS in the USA tried the same with Coinbase. Coinbase, however, told them where to get off. In South Africa, SARS, the South African Revenue Service, are also keeping a close eye on Bitcoin adoption. Guys, they know they're losing out on millions here, these tax authorities, and as time goes on, they will definitely push the point to lay their hands on our crypto profits. But for now, we're still all good. Make that money, get some offshore accounts, buy other assets, and keep it away from these prying eyes. We pay a lot in taxes. I don't see why we have to further enrich the governments. Bitcoin Cash, there's a hard fork coming on the 15th of November. Guys, as usual, be careful. There's usually a pump and dump just before, just after, so be careful if you invest. Bitcoin performance. Well, Bitcoin's up 120% year to date. It's outperforming stocks, dollar, gold, everything. Gold's only up 30%. There's currently 32 million investors, Bitcoin investors, versus 21 million 1 year ago. So guys, there's huge adoption taking place, and who doesn't want to with performance like this? XRP, the financial giant SBI, is to test XRP in a 6.6 trillion foreign exchange market. They're going to use this on cross-border payments, and they can use it as a bridge asset to lower risk of price fluctuation that can occur as one currency is traded for another. They also want to determine the potential fee savings on these transfers. Investment strategists says banks are asking if Bitcoin will make them stay relevant. There was 3 strategists that all concluded and says that banks are asking this more and more lately. Companies like MicroStrategy, Square and Grayscale, who invested millions into Bitcoin, make them have a second look at Bitcoin and the profits into Bitcoin. There's a new crypto exchange in South Africa called Cape Crypto. It's led by the former Luna manager. It only accepts rand in Bitcoin for deposits. It's got very low fees for Bitcoin trading. There's no KYC up front, but they do ask for ID on withdrawal and cash outs. Another adoption. Kraken Miller, a billionaire hedge fund investor, says he owns BTC during a CNBC interview. He's shorting the dollar and going long on Bitcoin. He says he has more gold than Bitcoin, but he predicts that Bitcoin would outperform his gold investment. Well, that's clear, guys. We just covered it now, and on previous videos of mine, I showed you that Bitcoin is the best performing asset for the past 10 years, outperforming Google, Amazon, Netflix, Tesla, all your big stocks, outperforming them. Okay, this is the passive platforms I'm in. In MTI, nothing much happening. Big hoo-ha, and the FSCA making big waves here in South Africa. The scare tactic and that. Nothing happened to MTI. They're still paying, they're still carrying on as per usual. So nothing to worry about for MTI investors. QBTech, all good. No new news there. Cash FX still going strong as well. No new news. Finalmente, they only gonna allow withdrawals once in 24 hours. No withdrawals on weekends. And you only get referral commissions on new purchases and not on repurchases. Vitalium, well, first of all, they had a DDoS attack, then they did the audit, and now apparently they're not available at all due to some COVID related issue. When you log into the website, it gives you a COVID message. So I hope they're not scamming out, but it doesn't look good at this stage. Only time will tell, we'll see. PGI going strong, man. Yes, this platform did a massive 9.59%, almost a 10% last week. They upped their minimum withdrawal to $50, and they also started now with a one-time PIN when you log in and with withdrawals, which is a good thing. They don't have 2FA, so I'm very glad about this improvement on their platform. Impulse X also upped their minimum withdrawal to $15. Bytex going well. Bittles, nothing new there. So guys, you can go check out my other videos on these platforms. I do a very detailed reviews on this, giving you all the ins and outs. And below this video there will also be a link tree with all my links to these platforms. So we've come to the end of tonight's CampFire conversations. So guys, if this was helpful and informative, please hit the like button below. Also share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for future news and updates. Below is a link to subscribe to my Telegram channel for future news and instant updates. And as I mentioned, a link tree link below as well if you want to sign up for any of the platforms that I'm in. Then lastly guys, never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always do your own due diligence. That's it guys, have a great day. Ciao for now, Cyborg signing out.